Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mazda CX-9 Signature. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 4-cylinder 2.5 turbo pushing out 227 horsepower and 310 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior, sunroof. This one does have rear climate controls. Also comes with a fold down third row seat. Coming around back, we've got our CX-9 all-wheel drive badging, a power lift gate, all season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, power windows, power seats, up and in. This one also does come with a blind spot assist, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, a rear view backup camera, navigation, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display. This CX-9 has 33,591 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda, check out feldmannimports.com.